Let me share with you two concrete domains. One, regarding Nexans' engagement as a company in carbon neutrality in its industrial environment. A second, regarding Nexans' leadership in the sustainable electrification of the world. First domain, Industry 4.0, and how we make it happen in the field, in our day-to-day activities, and how Nexans is therefore an active agent of climate change. Industry 4.0, what does it mean? Operationally speaking, it means data analytics, data visualization, digital cockpit, live monitoring. In other words, data-driven factory, with machine learning, moving from reaction to prediction, sharing real-time information with customers and suppliers. And these tools, processes, and methodologies are major enablers for climate change. The Industry 4.0 is a game changer in terms of manufacturing efficiency. In cable production, it means improved control of material consumption, higher accuracy of the cable lengths to produce along the chain of the manufacturing processes. In fact, this is waste reduction. Industry 4.0 brings also a new step in terms of maintenance, moving from preventive to predictive. Reduction of production line stoppage, smoothing, consequently, the supply chain, and allowing further inventory reduction while keeping the highest service level to our customers and therefore improving working capital. And last but not least, an Industry 4.0 maintenance extends the duration of equipment, so reduce CapEx. Industry 4.0 is also a game changer in terms of energy efficiency. The energy monitoring and management will allow you to turn off equipment components to optimize consumption and reduce significantly your energy consumption. Industry 4.0 unifies assets and operation life cycle, so it improves return on capital and profitability, and Industry 4.0 reduces waste and energy consumption. Therefore, it's an active agent of climate change. Let's move now to the second domain, Nexans and its advanced solutions and services to develop a sustainable electrification of the world while reducing CapEx and OpEx in the installation and operation of our customers. Our solution consists of designing, building, and supporting systems, provide sustainable and reliable energy network to our customers. Nexans is building the energy highway. What does that mean? Renewable energy requires specific geography in order to be developed. However, the consumption areas are not always close to the production area, and sometimes not even in the country of production. Consequently, the transmission system operators need to set up subsea and land interconnection between the countries, what I call the energy highway. For years, Nexans has been a major player in building the energy network, and a large number of existing interconnections, some of them running over 40 years, are installed with Nexans cables and systems. And we are preparing the future by developing a unit asset, the new laying vessel Aurora. This new vessel will be ready by mid-2021. It will allow Nexans to lay longer cable and/or two cables at the same time, hence reducing the cost of installation, to lay cables to deeper areas, hence answering to the future challenge of the interconnection in areas up to 3,000 meters depth. Nexans know-how and expertise. Nexans innovative system and solution. Nexans new cutting-edge laying vessel and industrial footprint are building the energy highway. Nexans will electrify the future. However, Nexans' commitment consists in clear targets and ambitions. Laurence Vandal, Nexans CSR Director, will explain this in more details.
The climate emergency is obvious. Nexans is more than ever committed to taking concrete actions to fight global warming. Nexans has disclosed its commitment to contribute to carbon neutrality by 2030. The roadmap setting out the priorities for achieving this commitment is structured around 4 axes. First axis, limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. And to be in line with this trajectory, Nexans targets to reduce its greenhouse gas emission by an average of 4.2% per year and generalize the use of renewable energy through local production and the purchase of decarbonized energy for all sites. Second axis, environmental management. Nexans aims to have all production sites certified ISO 40001. All production waste is recycled and that energy efficiency solutions are deployed at all these sites. Third axis, innovation and R&D. All projects should be dedicated to energy efficiency and energy transition, promoting eco-design and low-carbon offers. And all cable drums should be connected and recyclable. Last axis of the roadmap, transport and car fleet. Optimization of the logistic flows by using multimodal transport and short circuits. And lastly, that the entire fleet of vehicles be converted to hybrid or electrical vehicles. At Nexans, we are all committed to reduce our impact on climate change and contribute to the carbon neutrality.